If you are an active person who loves to travel the world, then this information is for you. Discover a new world to behold the beauty of our planet. An unforgettable experience will help the Swiss company Fireflies. Think about the destination and we will deliver you there. Booking of hotel rooms, tickets, local attractions, you will receive everything you need to organize your trip. We provide offerings from now, one of the leading provider of hotel services in tourism. And with the help of our system, you can choose the rooms from over 400,000 hotels worldwide. You are waiting for offers 900 airlines, internationally recognized, such as Virgin Atlantic, Lufthansa, KLM, British Airways, Air France, Alitalia, Aeroflot, Emirates, American Airlines, and United Airlines. In addition, we provide the opportunity to book tickets on flight 230 budget airlines, including EasyJet, Wizz Air, Ryanair, Fly Pegasus, and others. You don't need to worry about the organization of the program on vacation. We can organize your complete trip from home, including any transfers. Then you have focused only on the impressions of the trip and saved a significant amount of money, time, energy, and avoiding risks. Choosing the Fireflies, you are traveling with a discount of 30–70% cheaper than any other travel company through wholesale agreements with suppliers of hotel services. On our main page, you can see a few examples of our discount prices. Prague -82%, Istanbul 81%, Alanya 67%, Bucharest 66%, Moscow 66% discount from prices on other booking sites. Start typing a city or a hotel name and you'll find best offers in all the world. For example, Dubai, Marriott Hotel, 7 nights, 2 adults, market price in other companies $1,008.57. Our price $1,173 with discount 37% for you. Prague Hotel Waldstein, 7 nights, 2 adults, market price $2,180. Our price $698 with discount 68% for you. Even you can find discounts up to 88% like this. Canarian Islands, St. George, 7 nights, 2 adults, market price $3,866. Our price $466 with discount 88%. Only with our VIP registration, you can have such big hotels discounts for holidays and business trips. For more information, please follow, and I will answer your questions.